you ever wonder why, when you want to say something in English, your brain goes blank like a system error? Actually, I'm standing there because I have experienced this exact same thing. I remember a moment last week when I was sitting in a classroom. The lecturer asked a question, and in my mind, I already knew the answer, and the words had ready in my head. But that moment when I wanted to answer that question, my hands grew cold, and my heart started beating so fast. And then my mind went completely blank. So I just stood there smiling awkwardly and unable to say a single word. You know, guys, it feels so frustrating. I know I could do better, but my voice just locked up. So if you have ever felt that way, please know that you're not alone and you're not stupid. Actually, in psychology and language education, research call this phenomenon language learning anxiety. So, what is that? What is language learning anxiety? According to experts, it is a dense complex of self-perception, feelings, beliefs, and behavior related to classroom language learning. In a simple words, it acts like psychological wall that builds up only when you try to speak a foreign language. You might be very confident when you speak in Indonesia, but the moment you switch to English, suddenly you feel vulnerable and helpless. So, psychologists divide this anxiety into three main types. First is communication apprehension, the fear of to unable to express your thoughts clearly. And the second is test anxiety, the fear of making mistake and failing. And the last one is negative evaluation, the constant that you worry about people around you will judge your pronunciation, your grammar, or your action. So when these things combine, they trigger your brain to protect us. But how does exactly our brain works to make us feel stressed? Actually, in our brain, there is a tiny part called the amygdala. Amygdala releases cortisol, the hormone stress. This hormone prevents us from thinking clearly, and our brain goes blank. So, what is this habits? The reason number one is you fear of making mistake and fear of judgment by the other people. And move to reason number two is pressure of our environment. Pressure of our environment. We often expect ourselves to speak perfectly. And then the big question is, how do we break down the psychological wall? How do we can overcome this with 3 simple practical steps. The step number 1 is change your mindset about making mistakes. Shift your goal from speaking perfectly and to people can understand you. You just learning language to understood, not to being perfect. The step number 2 is take a deep breath. When your brain feels fit, don't force yourself to speak immediately, but take a deep breath, 3 seconds to lower your cortisol and to make your amygdala know that you are safe. So, step number 2 is more practice your speaking. Practice in front of your mirror or with your friend. The more you practice without the fear, the more your brain become confident. So, in conclusion, language learning anxiety is just a natural chemical reaction in our brain. So, make mistake, it proves we are learning and growing. You don't being perfectly. I think that's all for me. Thank you for listening and thank you for watching. Have a nice day.